If you're a small business owner, you'll understand the art of charging the right price is difficult to come by. But charging the right price can boost your confidence in all areas of your business. You can rest assured that all your costs are covered, that you've allocated a fair amount to cover your overheads, you've evaluated your competitive prices, and that you will make a profit at the end of the day. You shouldn't charge market relevant rates just because of the market. If there is no connection between your resources and your selling price, you run the risk of selling more resources than your price covers, or you might lose out on a competitive advantage in your pricing that you are not taking advantage of. Okumm software will guide you through the entire process to determine your final selling price. First, you will list all of your products in the Okumm software. Next, we will calculate the cost price of your product, service, or project. We will do this by breaking your product, service, or project down into activities or tasks. This makes it less overwhelming to assign resources and calculate the final product cost. We will assign resources to each task to calculate the unit cost of each task, and then at the end of the process, we will sum all of the tasks' prices together to get a final product cost price. Once we have your cost price for each of your products, we will have a look at your monthly revenue and or profit targets. We will also have a look at your current overhead expenses. Once the system has your target revenue and your cost price, the system will be able to calculate a safe price for you. It will allocate a fair amount of overheads to make sure that your overheads are covered, and it will also make sure that you run a profit at the end of the month. It will calculate the amount of products that you need to sell to make sure that you meet your revenue target. But the safe price is not your final price. To calculate your final price, you need to have a look at your competition. You need to evaluate all of your competition and choose where you stand relative to your competition. This will then give you the opportunity to allocate your final price to the product. Once you've allocated your final price, you can then go ahead and calculate the final price for all of your products. You are also able to change the overhead, the gross margin, and the volume of sales for the total amount of products or services, or for each product or service. This gives you the opportunity to change the business model to suit your business. If you are interested, sign up for the beta now, and we will give you a link as soon as we are ready for testing. Thanks for watching.